Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Let's Play Manchester City versus Barcelona in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So this is part of Legend Club's feature in UCL live event. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission so you can get ton of reward from it. And let's get started by tap the play button. Tap the live events and tap UEFA Champions League live events. And as you can see, there are four options or four features here. The first one is main feature, group stage feature, inform focus feature, and the last one is legend clubs feature. As you can see, sorry, uh, previously is Real Madrid, but right now in this week Manchester City in Legends Club feature is open. So we are going play in 2013 and 2014 season. Manchester City reached the clock-out stage for the first time in the club history, where they bowled out following 2 defeat to Barcelona. And let's tap this play button. But will guarantee UCL Club token 10 if you win this match. We are going to play and Legend Clubs feature. So we are going to play versus Barcelona now. And we start from second half with equal score. Make sure you win this match to unlock or to progress into the next stage of this feature. You have to play patiently here. No need to rush. Make sure you are scoring this game. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.